Hello there, looking at the euro US dollar, and this is the daily chart. The reason to look for a daily chart on a Monday morning or on a Monday in the afternoon at the beginning of the trading day is related to the fact that such a higher time frame like this one here points towards lower values to go into the week, and therefore we would like to buy put options for when the end of week expiration day. The reason for that is if you take this is a daily chart again, and it is zoomed out so we can see as many candles as possible. So if you take a trend line here from the lows and you connect this trend line with this point here, so like this, to try it, take it to the right side like this, okay? Then you are seeing that the trend line, not only that it has been broken here, but broken and then retested and retested again, and now we are looking for this move to be decisively to the downside. Not only that this here is a bearish signal, so it should point to the downside, but also it resembles with a potential attention head and shoulders, something like this to be the previous area. Look at the market in terms of market geometry from here. So what does the price do? So coming from the downside, it's trying here and fails. It tries again to this area, fails again. And then this area is being broken. Then support, support, support again. You might say it was broken here. I don't think it was broken here because this resembles with a triangle, something like A, B, C, D, E. So the actual leg to end here. So this to be only wave A, and then to have this area to provide actually a support moving forward. What next? Well, next, if you take a trend line from here, from something like this, and you project it on the right side here, then normally this trend line should be broken and the target should come around these levels. All in all, our conclusion here for the euro US dollar is that it should point to the downside on the medium to long term. This is a daily chart, so things do not happen that fast on a daily chart. However, do not expect this hesitation to continue for a long time now, because Thursday we'll have the ECB and we'll see what they are going to say regarding the recent moves. I mean, consider the fact that the ECB cut the interest rate here at the 135 something. The move to the downside, the selling to the downside was aggressively, but then market recovered all those losses and some more. So the ECB rhetoric will be a negative. Will try to hurt the currency, as this is the only way to provide some liquidity in this environment in which private companies have difficult access to loans, and therefore technical pictures, both technical picture and fundamental picture points towards the same direction. Again, daily chart here, trend line broken, retested twice, and now looking for price to continue to the downside and to threaten this area now for good. For good meaning 2 times has been tested before broken, now 2 times retested before broken to the downside as well. It remains to be seen. And keep in mind, we are looking for buying put options here. So buying put options with end of week expiration date. Whenever you are buying put options, so you are trading binary options and you buy put options, then you are looking for price to go to the downside at the expiration date, and it should be lower than the striking price. What is the striking price? Well, the striking price is the price you buy your option for. For example, if you buy a put option right now 35.54, then to the expiration date the price should be lower than the striking price, meaning the price you bought your option here. Again, thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and All of these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our general sponsor here, Lioneye.